Hello, welcome to the cold start video of the 2000 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6 Tommi Mäkinen Special Edition. Just very quickly here, the car hasn't been started at all today. We're just on the dashboard there. You can see that the lights that should come on have come on. Could you start the car, please? Welcome to the on-the-road video of the 2000 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6 Tommi Mäkinen Edition. Today we're on nice country main roads, so we should get the speed up and be able to enjoy the car a bit and go through the motions for you. So just coming down into the centre console here, we can see that the temperature on the car is come up to operating temperature. We're sort of cruising just over 40 miles an hour. And all the gauges are working. We've got no warning lights or anything like that. In the car we've also got a boost gauge, HKS, up in the top corner there. And I can tell you it is working. It's going up and down as it should.
Nice and agile. Feels good.
Yeah, and there's no shake here. We're sort of hit at 50 miles an hour now, and there's no shake on the steering wheel or anything.
Nothing.
And there's no pulling to the left or right as we're slowing down now, and you've got your foot on the brake. And yeah, and it's selecting gears nicely, isn't it? Yeah, it's sort of going where it should do, down to second gear. So whilst we're sort of at the lights here, just very quickly, so in here we've got a media expander stereo system by Alpine, and that seems to be working as it should, and it sounds all's good. Yeah, and then obviously we've got our climate control up on the dashboard there. It's got AC, and the AC work as it should.
Yes, all works, functions as it should.
Awesome. And we've got a clock that's also working there. So yeah, so not all the technology in the world, but everything that's in here works as it should. Hopefully these lights will change in a second. Straight up to the speed limit, through the gears, no issues at all. There we go, hopefully everybody's got the information they need to decide whether this is a car for them or not. So thank you very much for bringing me out on this drive.